So this question, the first exercise, I will discuss only the selected problems. Devasri Shivani. The first question is very simple one. The first one is 5i into bracket means multiplication into minus 3 by 5i. Just multiplication. Just open, 5 cancel. It's very simple. Numerator and denominator 5 cancels. Minus 3 is the order is not important. I into I will be I square. Fadil, you joined. Rakshana, okay. I into I square. I will repeat. All of you please listen. So I start with the exercise. Only one exercise is there in this chapter. The first exercise is we have to simplify these expressions. We have to simplify all these expressions and to be written in the form a plus bi. The first question is 5i into minus 3 by 5i. Let me write it once again. The first question is 5i into minus 3 by 5i. This is the first question. It's a very simple question. 5 cancels. Minus 3 is the I into I becomes I square. I hope you have understood. Rakshana, everyone okay? Minus 3 into, we studied in the previous class, I square minus 1. Do you remember? We studied in the previous class. Don't forget it. I square is minus 1. So I square is what? Minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 will be plus 3. This is not the final answer. I want the answer in the form a plus bi, in the form of the complex number. This is currently not in the form a plus bi. Currently this is not in the form a plus bi. But I can write 3 as 3 plus 0i, because 0i will be 0 itself. 0i will be 0 itself. So this will be 3 plus 0. This is 3 plus 0, 3 itself. So I can write in this form. 3 can be written as 3 plus 0i. This is because the question says that the final answer to be written in the form a plus bi. That is why I write 3 as 3 plus 0i. 0i is 0 itself. 3 plus 0, 3. No change. So all of you please write down. If you are 100% clear, please raise your hand. If you have written and 100% clear, raise your hand. Shivani fast ആണ് അല്ലേ? Shivani കഴിഞ്ഞ് ഇത് മുഴുവനും കഴിഞ്ഞ പറയണം കേട്ടോ, ആൻസർ പറയണേ. ഓക്കെ, ഞാൻ വേറെ എക്സ്ട്രാ തരാം. ദേവശ്രീ, ഹാവ് യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? ദേവശ്രീ, രക്ഷണ, ഫാദിൽ, ഓക്കെ. ആര്യൻ കുറച്ച് ലേറ്റ് ആയിട്ടാണല്ലേ വന്നത്? ആര്യൻ ഇപ്പോൾ വന്നുള്ളൂ അല്ലേ? കുഴപ്പമില്ല. അടുത്ത പ്രോബ്ലം മുതൽ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക കേട്ടോ ആര്യൻ. ഓക്കെ. The second one is I raised 9 plus I raised 19. Let me write here in the same page, or I will go to the next page. I think that is better. Okay, I am going to discuss the next question. The second one I am going to discuss. First one I discussed. Now I am going to discuss the second one. I raised 9 plus I raised 19 is our question. We know that I square minus 1. We know I square minus 1. So try to express in terms of I square. Try to express in terms of I square. How? I raised 9 can be written as I square raised to, because I square, I know the value. I square is minus 1. So let us try to express as the powers of I square. I square raised to anything gives you 9? No. but I square raised to 4 will give you I raised to 8. Is that correct? I square raised to 4 will give you the value I raised to 8. But I want I raised to 9. Let me write one additional step, then you will otherwise you will have confusion. If the power is odd number, you have to write one extra steps. I raised to 9 is written as I raised to 8 into I. I want the even power of I, then only I can find it. I want the even power of I. That is why I raised to 9 is written as I raised to 8 into I. Everyone listen, I will clarify all your doubt, but let me complete it first. If there is odd power of I, you have to write like this. I raised to 18 into I. I raised to 19 is I raised to 18 into I. I want the even power of I. All of you clear till this step? All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Shivani understood. Devasri understood. Okay. Can I write I raised to 8 as I square raised to 4? I raised to 8 is written as I square raised to 4. I hope you have understood. Into I raised to 18 can be written as I square raised to 9. It will be I raised to 18 into I square is minus 1. I am writing all the steps. Again I square is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4 will be plus 1. Shivani കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ unmute ചെയ്ത് പറയണം കേട്ടോ. Minus 1 raised to 4 will be plus 1. 1 into I. You know that minus 1 raised to even number will be plus 1. But minus 1 raised to odd number will be minus 1. You know that. Minus 1 raised to odd number will be minus 1. 1 into I. Plus minus will be minus. 1 into I. I minus I. 0. I minus I is 0, but it is not the final answer. I want the answer in the form A plus BI. But 0 can be written as 0 plus 0i. It is in the form of complex number. 0 is 0 plus 0i. So this is the answer. All of you please write down. If you have any doubt, please ask. If you are 100% clear, raise your hand. 100% clear, raise your hand. Devasri understood, right? Rakshana, Fadil, Shivani understood. Aryan, any doubt? Aryan, wala doubt undo?
No, sir.
Okay. കഴിഞ്ഞ് ക്ലിയർ ആയെങ്കിൽ ഒരു റൈസ് ഹാൻഡ് വേണേ. ആര്യൻ ക്ലിയർ ആയി? ആര്യൻ ഓക്കെ.
Yes, sir.
So the next completed everyone. Okay. So the next third problem. I raised to minus 39. Third question is, I will give you a separate question. Listen carefully. I raised to minus 39. I want the even power for I. I want the even power for I. But here the negative power is an issue actually. Negative power is a problem. What we can do? You will study it you studied that, or what we can do? I will tell you. This can be written as, I will tell you, I raised to minus 38 into I raised to minus 1. Because I want the even power of I. That is the reason. I want the even power of I. That can be negative also, no problem. Positive or negative, but I want an even power. So yes, it is correct. Minus 38 plus minus 1 is minus 39. I raised to minus 38 can be written as I square raised to minus 19. Is that okay? Yes, correct. I square raised to minus 19 will be 2 into minus 19 minus 38. I raised to minus 1. I square is minus 1 raised to minus 19 into I raised to minus 1 is 1 by I. You know that. I raised to minus 1 is what? 1 by I. Minus 1 raised to, remember, I suggest you better memorize this. Minus 1 raised to even number 1. That even can be positive even or negative even. Minus 1 raised to odd number. Odd can be positive odd or negative odd. I suggest it is better to memorize this. Minus 1 raised to even number will be plus 1, but minus 1 raised to odd number will be minus 1. This is minus 1 raised to odd number. Odd number can be positive odd or negative odd. Minus 1 raised to odd number is what? Minus 1. Here it is minus 1 raised to odd number. Still not completed. Anyway, all of you clear till this step? All of you clear till this step? Danya?
Yes, sir.
Divya understood. How can I simplify 1 by I? How can I simplify 1 by I? I will tell the technique. I want to remove this I from the denominator side. I want to remove I from the denominator side. A conjugate is not required. If it is a plus bi, okay, multiplying with the conjugate. If it is only I, right? I want to remove I from the denominator side. I will tell you. If I multiply numerator and denominator by I, will it affect the answer? There is no change. Numerator and denominator multiplied by the same number, no change. Why I am multiplying with I? I want to remove I from the denominator side. One into I is there in the numerator side. 1 into I is I. Denominator, Shivanide കഴിഞ്ഞ പറയണം കേട്ടോ. Denominator is I square. Denominator is what? I square. Correct? I square is minus 1. So this technique you please don't forget. If the denominator is I only, just multiply numerator and denominator by I. You will get in this case minus 1 into I is I square is minus 1. Minus 1 cancels, I get I. But it is not the final answer. I want the answer in the form of a complex number a plus bi. There is a technique. I can be written as 1i. Is there any issue if I write I as 1i? No mistake. And if I add 0 plus, if I write 0 plus in the beginning, will it change the answer? No change. Because 0 plus 1i is 1i itself. 0 plus 1i is 1i. And 1i is I. So why I am writing in this way? Because the answer must be in the form a plus bi, complex number 4. So please write down. I will give you one similar question. All of you please write down. If you are okay, clear, raise your hand. Devasri okay, clear. Rakshana understood. Shivani clear. Aryan, Fadil, everyone is clear. Okay. Let me give you one question which is not there in text. You try it. I raised to, not tough question, I raised to 43. The answer should be a plus bi4, like this. You please try it. I raised to 43. Write the value of I raised to 43 in the form of a plus bi. I will wait for 2 minutes, maximum 2 minutes. Write the solution and send to me the answer as WhatsApp. One minutes more. Okay. Fadil, you send it. Yes. Yes, tell me.
Sir, actually, I'm out of station, sir. I'm having some network issues, actually, sir.
Okay then. You please. Okay. Can you do you don't have pen?
I'm having, sir. I will do it, sir. Shall I send you later, sir?
Later. Okay, no problem. After the class, later you can send it. No problem. Shivani, answer കിട്ടിയോ Shivani?
Sir, അയച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്.
അയച്ചോ കിട്ടിയില്ലല്ലോ. Rakshana, are you able to solve it? Rakshana? Shivani, ഫൈനൽ ആൻസർ എ പ്ലസ് ബി ഐ ഫോമിൽ വരണം കേട്ടോ. അങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നല്ലോ, എ പ്ലസ് ബി ഐ ഫോം. അങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ നോ പ്രോബ്ലം. ജസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഈസ് സപ്പോസ് ഫൈൻഡ് ദിസ്, then further simplification not required. For example, if you get the answer minus I, you can stop there if the question is simplified. But if they specifically say that write the answer as a plus bi form, you must write in that form. Rakshana, ആര്യൻ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ? ആര്യൻ
Yes, sir.
കിട്ടിയില്ലല്ലോ ആൻസർ. ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. രക്ഷണ, ഡു യു ഹാവ് എനി ഡൗട്ട് ഇൻ ദിസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ? രക്ഷണ? Okay, anyway, I waited for 2 minutes. I cannot wait more than 2 minutes. No problem. After the class you send it. Okay, after the class you please send it. Don't forget it. Okay, don't forget. So the remaining questions are, most of the questions are simply addition subtraction type problems. Addition subtraction problems. The multiplication division problems are given in miscellaneous exercise. Multiplication division related questions are given in miscellaneous, but I will discuss that question. Okay, look at this problem. All of you please listen. These are very simple question. Even if the student do not have any idea about complex number, will be able to do some, will be able to write some steps. So fourth question, anything mentioned, if they mention write in the form a plus bi, you have to reduce in that form. They clearly mentioned that the answer should be written in a plus bi form. So it should be you have to express in that form, otherwise you will not get full mark. So all of you please listen, the question, let me write the question. 3 into 7 plus I7 or 7i, both are same thing. See, I7 or 7i into I into 7 plus 7i. This is our question. Just open the bracket. Can I open? 3 into 7, 21. 3 into 7i, 21i. I into 7, 7i. I into 7i. Correct. I into 7i. 7i square. Let me complete the solution. After that, you please ask me doubt. Okay? Shivani, fast ആണെങ്കിൽ വേഗം ചെയ്തു പോക്കോട്ടോ. Okay? Shivani.
Okay, sir.
21 plus Fadil also. Okay? 21i plus 7i. What is this? 21i plus 7i. 28i. 7i square will be 7 into minus 1. I square minus 1. Correct? 7 into minus 1. It is minus 7. 21 minus 7. 21 minus 7 will be 40 plus 28i. We got the answer in the form a plus bi. So is that okay? Clear? I will discuss 7th one. 6th one will be homework for you. If you have understood 7th question, 6th one is very simple. That's why. So the repetition I want to avoid. Let me discuss 7th one. 6th one will be homework for you. Okay? But nobody sending homework. Shivani send me homework. Also Devasri also send me homework. Aryan Rakshana, every Fadil, okay. No, Aryan Rakshana, you have to send me homework solutions. I am going to answer 7th question. 6th one homework. 1 by 3 plus 7 by 3i. Correct? I into 7 by 3 or 7 by 3i. Both are same. Plus 4 plus. This is 1 by 3i. If the minus bracket, I have to open the bracket. I have to open the bracket. Minus of minus 4 by 3 will be plus 4 by 3. A minus of I will be there. Minus of I. If in this case of addition, what we do is we will add the terms which does not contain I. Understood? I already discussed in the previous class. If there is addition or subtraction, we will add the numbers which does not contain I. 1 by 3 plus 4. Shall I discuss that? Do the cross multiplication and add. That's all. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 30. 4 plus 1 by 3 will be 13 by 3. Oh, sorry. I did not see one term. Let me write all the important steps. I think it is better. I did not see this 4 by 3. We will add the terms which does not contain I. We will add or subtract the numbers which does not contain I. So the terms which does not contain I added together, written together. And the terms containing I are 7i by 3, 1i by 3 or I by 3 minus I by I. The terms containing I to be written separately. 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3 will be 5 by 3. Let me write some additional steps. 7i by 3 plus I by 3 will be 8i by 3. In a single step, addition will be very difficult. Let us write some extra steps. Cross multiplication. 17 by 3. Here also cross multiplication. 8i minus 3i. Correct. 8i minus 3i. 5i by 3. This is the answer. I hope you have understood. All of you please write down. If you are 100% clear. Deva, please remove your old raise hand. If you are 100% clear, raise your hand. Devasri, Shivani, Rakshana, Aryan, understood. Written. Fadil, okay. That sixth one will be homework. Similar, okay, that's right. So the next is the 8th, 9th, 10th. These are important one, okay. These are definitely important one. 6th, 7th, sorry, 8th, 9th, 10th. This take time, okay. It is tough question. This take time. The 8th one I want to find out. 1 minus I all raised to 4. 8th one is 1 minus I all raised to 4. We know that the expansion up to 3. We studied the expansion up to the power 3. A plus b whole square or a minus b whole square is familiar to us. But a plus b raised to 4 or a minus b raised to 4 is not familiar. We have not studied it. What we can do then? I will tell you. 1 minus I raised to 4 can be written as 1 minus I all square, then again all square. In that case, we will multiply the power, right? So this will be 1 minus I raised to 4. All of you clear? Please respond. Everyone, Rakshana, Shivani, Deva, everyone is clear? Aryan?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. The all square is familiar. That's fine. All of you please listen. Do you know a minus b whole square expansion? They have a street. Please tell me what is a minus b whole square?
Sir, a square minus 2ab plus b square, sir.
Yes. So this is 1 minus I whole square. 1 square minus 2 into 1 into I. I can reduce steps. A square minus 2ab plus b square. You can check it. A square minus 2ab plus b square. All square. You know that 1 square is minus 1. Sorry, 1 square is 1. Sorry. 1 square is 1. Minus 2i. I square is minus 1. Studied. All square. Know that plus 1 minus 1 cancels. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels. You will get minus 2i all square. ശിവാനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ ശിവാനി ശിവാനിക്ക്
Ninth question കേട്ടു.
ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് ഓക്കെ കിട്ടിയെങ്കിൽ ആൻസർ ചാറ്റ് മെസ്സേജ് ആയിട്ട് അയക്കാം കേട്ടോ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന പോലെ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്തോ ചാറ്റ് മെസ്സേജ്
Sir, എനിക്ക് അതിന്റെ ആൻസർ 4 ന്ന് കിട്ടിയ.
4 കറക്റ്റ് -4 ആണ് ആൻസർ ഓക്കെ എവരി വൺ ലിസൺ -2 minus square becomes plus, you know that, all of you clear? Minus square becomes plus, that part is over. Minus square becomes plus. 2 square will be 4. 2 square is 4. I square will be there. That is 4 into -1. I square is -1. 4 into -1. It is -4. but I want the answer in the form a plus bi. I got -4 only, so let me write 0i, because 0i does not affect the answer, because 0i is 0 itself. So now it is in the complex number form. Okay, -4 plus 0i is the answer. If you have written and 100% clear, raise your hand. Fadil, Shivani, okay. Rakshana, Aryan, Devasri, everyone is clear. I am going to discuss the next problem. Okay, 1 minute. Just a minute. I am going to discuss the question number 9. 8th one is clear. 9th one and 10th one is tough question. Here I want 1 by 3 plus 3i all cube. If there is a fractions, it is better to avoid it. It is better, or you can decide. You can decide. Okay, no problem. No. You can start expanding. Anybody, Fadil, you please tell me what is the expansion of a plus b all cube. Fadil.
Yes, sir. A cube plus 3 a square b
Ah.
plus 3 ab square
Ah.
plus b cube.
Yes. You studied in the lower classes. Okay, if you don't remember, please memorize it. Okay, we studied in the lower classes. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. I am going to use that formula. A cube will be 1 by 3 cube. Shivaniക്ക് കിട്ടിയിരുന്നു ആൻസർ? Shivani.
സർ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കണം.
A cube will be 1 by 3 cube plus 3a square b. Let me write it. After that you can ask me doubts. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Is that correct? Devasri, Rakshana, are you okay? Till this step you are okay?
Yes, sir.
Rakshana understood. Aryan clear? Aryan മനസ്സിലായി? 1 by 3 cube, 1 cube is 1. Fadil, if you got the answer, you please tell me you finished. Okay, you can just tell me completed, you finished.
So I'm doing.
Doing. Shivani also, if you get the answer, you just unmute and tell me. 9th done. 1 by 3 cube, 1 cube is 1. 1 cube is 1. 3 cube will be there, 27. Here let me write some extra steps. 1 by 3 square will be 1 by 9. Let me write some additional steps. Okay, here, okay, it's very simple because 3 cancels. No need to write any additional steps. That 3 cancels. This is 9i square, right? 9i square. 3i all cube is not familiar to us. 3i all cube is 3 cube we can write, understood? 3i all cube will be 3 cube I cube. 3 cube will be 27. I cube is I square into I. I raised to even power is required. I have already discussed. I raised to even power is required. So 3 cube is 27. I cube is I square into I. Clear? 1 by 27. 3 into 3 9. That 9, this 9 cancel. Only I is remaining. Here I square is -1. 9 into -1. 9 into -1 will be -9. 27 into minus 1. 27 into minus 1 minus 27 I. Understood? 27 into minus 1 into I minus 27 I. Okay, I will give you one question after this. Okay, listen. So the real terms to be added together, the terms which does not contain I to be written together, and the term containing I to be written separately. The similar terms to be grouped together. 1 by 27 minus 9, I don't want to discuss that calculation. 27 into 27 into 9 is what? 27 into 9, 243. 243 minus 1, 242 by 27. Then this is minus 26I. You can write one more step, 242 by 27 plus minus 26I. Now it is A plus BI form. All of you please write down. If you are 100% clear, raise your hand. If you are okay, please raise your hand. You can ask me doubt. Nobody is asking doubts. Devasri, Shivani, Rakshana, Fadil, clear.
Sir,
Ah.
yes, I understood.
You understood? Aryan, doubt undo? Aryan?
No, sir.
I'll give you one question. In every class, you have to do at least 2 questions. 1 plus I all cube. It is not tough. It's very simple. You have to write the answer as A plus BI form. Please do it right now. Rakshana and Aryan, please try. Okay. Everyone, you please send, try and send to me the answer. 2 minutes I will wait. I want the answer within 2 minutes. Shivani, let me check. Shivani. Shivani answer correct. Shivani correct. Shivani അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ 10th one try ചെയ്തോളൂ, തുടങ്ങിക്കോളൂ Shivani.
Sir, 10th one ചെയ്ത answer കിട്ടി.
കിട്ടിയോ? അതും കൂടി ഒന്ന് അയക്കാവോ?
Okay, sir.
Fadil completed. Fadil, you made some mistake. Fadil, let me check. The last term, you made mistake in the last term, Fadil. I cube is I square into I, Fadil. You have written as minus 1. I cube is I square into I minus 1 into I. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Devasri, you are not able to do right now. ആര്യന് എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് പറയാമോ? ആര്യൻ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ? And Rakshana, are you able to do this problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aryan and Rakshana, you can send me after the class. Okay, if you are not getting, you please send me WhatsApp message. Not able to do. Okay, I will explain for you. Okay. ഓക്കെ, ആര്യൻ കേട്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ? ആര്യൻ കിട്ടുന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ കിട്ടുന്നില്ല എന്ന് എനിക്കൊരു വാട്സപ്പ് മെസ്സേജ് ചെയ്താൽ ഞാൻ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത് തരാം കേട്ടോ.
Okay, sir.
So 10th one I will explain first two steps. 10th one I will discuss the first two steps. The remaining I think you can complete it. Okay, I will explain the first two steps. The 10th question, all of you please listen. -2 minus 1/3 I all cube. Minus is common in both the terms. Is that correct? -2 containing minus sign. -1/3 also contains minus sign. It will be better if you see any common term. I can take -1 outside. The expansion, when you expand, then there will not be any confusion. Both the terms having -1 common factor. So I just took -1 outside. In every question we do like that. If you see any common factor, we will take it outside. So -1 is common in both the terms. I just took it outside. Is that okay? Aryan, Rakshana, Devasri, Shivani, everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you know that -1 into this cube. You know this fact. A into B all raised to n. Studied in the lower classes. A raised to n, B raised to n. Studied in the lower classes. A into B all raised to n will be A raised to n, B raised to n. That way -1 cube will be there. -1 cube will be there, and after that 2 plus 1/3i all cube will be there. Is that okay? You can take the separate cube. Is that okay? Devasri, Fadil, Aryan, Shivani, all of you clear?
Yes, sir.
You know that -1 raised to odd number is -1. -1 raised to odd number is -1. This one I will write the one more step. Later the remaining step you can complete it. This one is a plus b whole cube, right? A plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You can complete it. It will be homework question. I think 70% of the step I discussed. 60% of the steps I discussed. You have to complete it. -1 cube is -1. This is a plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. You have to do it. Similar question I have already discussed. 9th one I discussed. Remember, when you write I cube is written as I square into I. I have already discussed that. I cube will be I square into I. It will be homework. You can complete it later. If you are not getting the answer, okay, you have to tell me. I will discuss. Shivani ഇത് ഓൾറെഡി കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? ആര്യൻ യെസ്, ആൻസർ കറക്റ്റ് ആണ്. രക്ഷണ, ആഫ്റ്റർ ദ ക്ലാസ് യു ട്രൈ. Remember, if you are not getting, please send me a WhatsApp message. So this is over. There was if you have written, you leave a small space. After this, you leave a small space. This is actually a homework question. Till this step, if you have written, raise your hand. Till this step, if you have written, raise your hand. Fadil, Aryan, done, written. Rakshana, Devasri, Shivani already completed this question. So all of you please listen. This exercise, multiplicative inverse. That is a very simple thing. Multiplicative inverse. I will tell you. I will discuss all the problems. All type of question I will discuss. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Please note it. You can write it somewhere. Multiplicative inverse means just a reciprocal. That's all. Multiplicative inverse simply means reciprocal. You studied in the lower classes that the multiplicative inverse of 3 is its reciprocal. Why we are calling it as multiplicative inverse? Because on multiplication you will get the number 1. That is why that 1 by 3 is said to be multiplicative inverse of 3. So just keep in your mind that multiplicative inverse simply means reciprocal. Okay. So question number 11, I want the multiplicative inverse, meaning that I want the reciprocal. Reciprocal means 1 by 4 minus 3i I want to find out. All of you clear? Or Devasri, Rakshana,
Yeah.
Fadil?
Yes, sir.
So multiplicative inverse simply means reciprocal. The division is there. We completed. Fadil, you completed 11, 12 and 13 or 11 only? Okay. Then you try the next 12th one. You please try.
Okay, sir.
If there is division, you have to multiply with the conjugate of denominator. I explained in the previous class. If there is division involving complex number, multiply with the conjugate. It's very simple thing. 1 into 4 plus 3i will be 4 plus 3i. 1 into any number will be that number. Denominator is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. We can write single step. In a single step we can write a square minus b square. 4 square is 16 minus 3i all square will be 9i square. Devasri, Rakshana understood? Devasri, Rakshana, Aryan. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So next step is 4 plus 3i divided by 16 minus 9 into minus 1 denominator. Because I square is minus 1. That is the reason. I square is minus 1. 4 plus 3i divided by 16 plus 9. Minus 9 into minus 1. 4 plus 3i divided by 25. You must write in the form a plus bi. Okay. First split into 2. 4 by 25 plus 3 by 25i. You must write the answer in this format. A plus bi. All of you please write down. If you are finished, return. If you are okay, 100% clear, raise your hand.
Sure, completed.
What is the answer you got for 12th one?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer.
Root 5 by 14 minus 3i by 14.
Yes, very good, very good. Fadil, Shivani got the answer. Shivani,
Yes, sir.
കിട്ടിയോ? എല്ലാം കിട്ടിയതാണോ ശിവാനിക്ക്?
Yes, sir.
ഞാനൊരു ടഫ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തന്നാലോ? Try it. It's outside textbook, but still in our syllabus. It is there in our syllabus. 1 plus I all raised to 6. Please try Fadil and Shivani. If you get the answer, please tell me. Others, please focus on this question. Later, if we get the time, we will do it. Aryan, Devasri, all of you clear? The 11th one is clear to you? Rakshana? Okay. Let me discuss 12th one. Let me discuss the 12th one. Rakshana, are you okay? Rakshana, clear? Rakshana, you are not responding. Rakshana, clear?
Yes, sir.
Multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i. Meaning that reciprocal. Anybody?
Sir, answer 0 plus 0 minus 8i അല്ലേ?
എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്തതൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ?
Sir, 1 plus I the whole square the പിന്നെ
യെസ് അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യേണ്ട യെസ് വെരി ഗുഡ്. ഓക്കെ, വേറൊരെണ്ണം തരാം. സോറി, ഇതൊന്ന് ചെയ്യട്ടോ. ഫാദിൽ, ഇഫ് യു ഹാവ് ഫിനിഷ്ഡ് ദാറ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ട്രൈ ദിസ് വൺ. ഓക്കെ ഫാദിൽ.
Okay.
Others, please listen here. I am going to answer the second question, 12th question. Reciprocal of root 5 plus 3i. Reciprocal of root 5 plus 3i. All of you please listen. Fadil, if you get the answer, you please send me either chat message is okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, everyone, Aryan, Rakshana, Devasri. How to do this? How to find its value? Multiply with the reciprocal of denominator. Conjugate of denominator. The division is the multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of denominator. 1 into root 5 minus 3i. Devasri, are you okay? Are you listening? Devasri. Rakshana, are you listening? Rakshana, Aryan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Denominator is a plus b into a minus b 4. A plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Fadil, you did not get the answer, right?
So I'm doing the second one.
First one, what is the answer?
Minus 2 plus 2i.
No, that is not correct answer, Fadil. You have to try in this way. 1 plus I all square all cube.
Oh, I did the 1 plus I the whole cube. Sorry.
You try it in this way, okay?
Okay, sir, I understood.
Here root 5 square will be 5, okay? Root 5 square will be 5 minus 3i all square will be 9i square. Root 5 minus 3i divided by 5 minus 9 into minus 1. It's very similar to previous question, okay? Root 5 minus 3i divided by 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9. Root 5 by 14 plus minus 3 by 14i. In complex number format, you have to write the answer. All of you please write down. If you are okay, return, raise your hand. Aryan പഴയ റേസ് ആൻഡ് മാറ്റിയിട്ടില്ല കേട്ടോ. രക്ഷണ, ദേവശ്രീ, okay. Devasri completed, Aryan completed. Rakshana, shall I repeat anything? Shall I repeat? Understood. Okay. Shivaniക്ക് ആൻസർ കിട്ടിയോ? ശിവാനി കിട്ടിയോ? എത്ര ആൻസർ കിട്ടിയത്?
-6 1 minus 3 root 3 I by 4.
അയ്യോ തെറ്റാണല്ലോ. 1 ആണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ വരാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ. ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ 1 ആണ്. ഒന്നുകൂടി ഒന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാം കേട്ടോ ശിവാനി. കാൽക്കുലേഷൻ മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് ഉണ്ട്. 1 ആണ് ആൻസർ. Let me discuss one more question. Just a minute. Let me just complete this. 14th one I will discuss later. Or let me discuss the selected problem. Okay, I think it is better. Let me discuss the selected question. Devasri, Shivani and Fadil, you try this question, 14th one. Okay, so look at this question with the simplification. The question is about the simplification. The question is appear to be tough, but it is not tough. 3 plus, this is a plus b into a minus b. Nobody, please don't leave the class, listen carefully. Numerator is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. I hope you have understood. Numerator is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Denominator, I can open the bracket. Opening the bracket, okay. I just open the bracket. Minus root 3 plus root 2i. You understood? 3 square is 9. I square is minus 1. Root 5 square will be 5. Root 5 square will be 5. In the denominator, root 3 and minus root 3 cancels. Root 2i plus root 2i. Root 2i plus root 2i will be 2 times root 2i. A plus a will be 2a. Root 2i plus root 2i will be 2 times root 2i. Numerator will be 9 plus 5. I don't want to explain all the steps. 9 plus 5, 14 by 2 root 2i. 1, 2 cancel, 7 by root 2i. Normally we prefer to remove I from the denominator side. To remove I from the denominator side, multiply with the I. Root 2i square. I into I is I square. Root 2 into minus 1 minus root 2. That minus sign can be taken to the numerator side. From the denominator, the minus can be taken to numerator side. But I want the answer in the form a plus bi. Can be written as 0 plus minus 7 by root 2i. If I write 0 plus, no mistake. All of you please write down the solution. If you don't understand any step, please ask. If you are
Sir,
tell me.
0 plus 7 root 2i by minus 2 അത് കറക്റ്റാണോ?
അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാം. അതായത് ഫാദിൽ പറഞ്ഞത് താഴത്തെ റൂട്ട് കളയാനാണോ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചത്?
യെസ് സർ.
ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് സ്റ്റെപ്പ്. Rationalization is not that much important. Okay.
Okay sir. ഒരു ആൻസർ കറക്റ്റ് ആണോ?
ആൻസർ കറക്റ്റ് ആണ്. അതെ.
Okay sir.
Okay. Okay everyone, if you have finished writing, If you are 100% clear and written, you may leave the meeting. Okay.